Today, I'm gonna try to catch massive catfish on this stand-up paddleboard. And to do it, I've gotta float this river. Me and Jake are out here looking for worms. We gotta get ourselves some bait. Yeah, there's the big juicy one. All right, there you go. Look at that. Is that cool? This is a little ringneck snake. Oh, here's the big one. There you go. So look for a place where the leaves are wet. Oh, there's see him right there. There's another one. There we go. See, look at that. Another snake. Here's one. Jake's got one. I think we got plenty of worms there. Oh, and then we're gonna just take a left. Oh, I love you, babe. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna do an overnight fishing floating trip, and we're gonna see if we can't catch some big fish. I've never done rapids on a stand-up paddleboard. This is gonna be interesting. Well, so far so good. That worked out pretty well. The creek's kind of shallow here, so I took the fin off the paddleboard, but it makes me want to spin around. Keeps trying to send me down backwards. Oh, we got a little river treasure here. Ah, there we go. I think we got a carp down here. Oh, yep, there he is. You can see the bubbles and the mud being kicked up. Uh-oh, we got a little problem up ahead. Looks like we got a bit of a blockage. Well, it wasn't exactly graceful, but it worked out. I got covered in all these spider webs with these dead flies in it. Dang it. Well, this trip is off to a little bit of a rough start. I just dropped my GoPro mount in the water. I gotta go see if I can dive for it and find it.